What is KYC and why are sellers affected? KYC is know your customer. So know your customer is a mandatory verification process for sellers and financial service users to comply with legal regulations, particularly in Europe and for Amazon Pay. Sellers must submit business and identity documents such as government ID. I guess the best way to put it for anyone who's not in the know, KYC is just a simplistic way of saying account verification. You have to verify who you are, and a lot of times it's very, very stringent. It's a very, very hard thing if your account gets suspended over KYC to get it back, unfortunately. So it's possible. It's just very, very difficult at the end of the day. I opened up my case with ESR team regarding my disbursement being stuck due to PSP KYC for the last 3 months. Account is all healthy and good, but even ESR not able to solve the issue. This is treading into the territory, Harris, of I would be looking at potentially sending a notice to Amazon. Now, the only thing I would say with this is that if you do in fact send a notice to Amazon, know that that may in fact come back to bite you, as Amazon does not like threats, obviously, from anybody at any given time. And so it's a very tricky situation, unfortunately. I would keep pressing forward with it. You can look at sending that notice, but it's not the first move I would make, so to speak. They say that the issue is resolved, but the error banner is still showing up on the account and disbursement is not available to be made. Seems like a ghost reference for a closed bank account, which was closed, but still has backend linkage. After ESR, what is the best strategy to approach for this issue to be solved? Do you recommend a lawyer? What should be my next strategy? Yeah, you're getting real close, like I said, to lawyer territory. It's not my first move because if you do go the legal route, you do lose a lot of footing in the future. Now, if it is a back-end issue, you need to escalate directly to their actual catalog and back-end development team and make sure that you get on the phone with somebody to have that escalation. File the ticket first, then call on the phone and try and get escalated as quickly as possible. You can also try and change it again, by the way. My account got deactivated after complete video call verification and got emailed like fraudulent. Is there any way to get it back? You can appeal this if you think that it actually was wrong, but usually you need to figure out why it is they thought that it was fraudulent. Usually has to do with the aspect that in some way, shape, or form, you presented wrong information or you said something wrong, right? And so absolutely you can appeal it. You can get the account back. It's rare, but it does happen. Worst case scenario, come over to my Amazon guy. We have a account reinstatement service that we can offer, and we can try and help you out with that as well. Oh, I recently got with a KYC in the UK. I provided all the paperwork, and all of a sudden they sent me an email. I'm suspended and they cannot change this decision. I'm so confused and upset. Question, is my account gone forever? That's it. It's a KYC issue, I suppose. You can technically try and appeal this. It's a difficult appeal. If you want help, I would reach out to us here at My Amazon Guy for an account reinstatement. It's rare, I will say, for KYC to like get undone, but I mean, we can do it. We have done it before. It's like a tier 2 reinstatement, though. It's hard because they consider that like a section 3. And so, it's a difficult one to figure out what to do. The issue I am worried about is they cannot change this decision. That part usually means that they know and already have proof as to why they did this. That really sucks, though. I'm sorry. I would reach out, though, and maybe schedule a call with one of my team members. We can look into it and see if it makes sense and it's something that we can potentially help you with. Can I set up a US entity and open a new account? Will this let me get around it? I'm trying to think what I can do to get back on Amazon. They might do an account linkage. If it was tied, since it is KYC, it was probably tied to your direct identity information. So they likely will do an account linkage if you try and reopen a new account, even under a new entity or anything like that. So you can give it a shot, but more than likely it'll get linked and then that one will get taken down as well. They removed my brand name on one of the ASINs because I didn't do the brand registration yet. Now the registration is done. Amazon says they cannot change if from generic to my brand. You absolutely can do brand name changes, something we do for clients all the time. Brand name changes, you have to basically take a picture physically of the product. So let's say this mag mug is my product. I would literally take a picture with my phone of the product and the product packaging with the brand name. You have to upload all of that. You have to show through the UPC as well and whatnot.